Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Zenith TV, the highest of all.
Hi, you're highly welcome. This is Zenith TV. As we come your way every week with your inspirational messages, and this is Zenith TV, the highest of all. Yeah. Today we'll be touching on hope. Many people give up in life as a result not being able to achieve their life goals due to certain challenges that normally come on their way. But I believe with hope, everything is possible. When we talk about hope, what do we mean by hope? Hope is the universal liar who never loses its reputation for veracity. Hope is an extraordinary spiritual grace that God normally gives to us to control our fear, but not to use them. Hope is a spiritual spring, or it is the spring that keeps mankind in motion. Hope is a medicine to the soul that is tired. Remember, everything that is being done in this world is done by hope. So once you choose hope, everything is possible. When you lose your marriage, still keep your hope. If you lose your job, still keep your hope. If you lose your relationship, if you fall sick, don't think that you have been rejected by Christ. No, still keep your faith. I've already told you that hope is some kind of an extraordinary spiritual grace that God normally gives to us, just for us to control our fear. No matter what comes your way, still keep your hope. No matter what happens, still keep your hope. If you are being rejected in the family, still keep your hope, for Christ has not rejected you. If you have been rejected among multitudes, keep in mind and keep your hope that Christ, your Creator, has not rejected you. If you lose your business, your transaction, don't think that is the end of your life, for there is an alternative to your life, and that is hope. With Christ, everything is possible. Don't lose your hope in Christ. Still keep the hope that you have in Him, for in Him it's possible. If you lose your baby, if you lose your mom, if you lose your dad, or if you lose any of your family member, just recite at the back of your mental faculty that with hope, everything is possible. I've already told you that once you choose this hope, everything is possible. And everything in these nations of our world that is being done is done by hope. Keep your hope, get hope. Never allow anything to distract you from focusing on whatever thing that you want to achieve. Although I believe that the devil may come your way, hit you so hard to the extent of hurting you, hurting in your heart, in our mind, and every part of our body. But don't forget to keep your hope. With hope, everything is possible. With hope, everything is possible. Once you choose hope, everything is possible. If you go for an interview, you are being refused a visa, if you are being refused a job opportunity, don't forget, don't lose your hope. Still have hope, for with hope, everything is possible. If you lose any vital thing in life, just keep in mind that with hope, everything is what? Possible. We are being hurt just to keep our faith. So don't let any troubles or any struggles that comes your way to strike you down to the extent of losing your hope in Christ. Still have hope. This is Zenith TV, and this is your prophet Opatafour. I'm just into your life at this moment to tell you that with hope, everything is what? Possible. Once you choose this hope, everything is what? Possible. You might feel rejected. People might reject you. People might leave you in an isolation because of the troubles that you're going through, because of the hardship that you're going through, lack of money. Maybe you are in your sick bed. You are experiencing some kind of a disease that have made people to reject you. But just remember that with Christ, everything is what? Possible. Don't allow anything to strike you down. With hope, just have what? Hope. If everybody rejects you, God, your creator, has never rejected you. God has you in mind. He has you in heart. He has you in everything. That is why, you see, anytime in our life that we experience challenges, bear it in mind that you have Christ. You have somebody that is what? Far bigger than what you're going through. And all this comes upon us just to let you know that how relevant your creator is, how relevant the grace of God is. So don't lose your hope. If you're experiencing anything that is far beyond you, that is highly inimical to the ambitions of you, just keep yourself intact. Just keep yourself intact in the light of hope. For I believe that with hope, everything is what? Possible. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel.
Zenith TV, the highest of all.